Zinc foods. What are the top 5 best foods for you to eat if you want to supply zinc naturally and find natural zinc sources? Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you, heal your digestion so you have all the energy to bring your gifts into the world. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and I'm excited today to talk about what you can eat, the 5 natural food sources that help replenish your zinc and make you feel stronger, support your immune system, support your nervous system, and boost your energy. So my favorite 5 foods that have zinc. And they are all vegan, they are all natural sources, and they are made out of whole foods. The absolute number 1 are pumpkin seeds. And with pumpkin seeds, it's important with all nuts and seeds that you soak them first. When you soak nuts and seeds, and in this case pumpkin seeds, then you help activate this natural food source of zinc. You help your body to be able to absorb the minerals and nutrients that are in the pumpkin seeds to be better absorbed by your digestion. So to soak them, it's enough to just put the pumpkin seeds into water and leave them there for 4 hours or just overnight when you know you're going to eat them the next day. If you need them for later, just drain the water and put them in the fridge, and they're going to be ready to eat for at least 3-4 days without any harm. So if you want to really increase your zinc, having 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds per day soaked, remember, is a great start. Number 2, one of my favorite are chickpeas, also named garbanzo beans. And there you have, with just 1 cup, you've already got 20% of your daily zinc. And if you eat 2 cups, it's going to be 40. The third one are leafy greens. This can be spinach, kale, collard greens, romaine lettuce. And these greens, they are not just awesome for your liver and help you detox, they also contain good amounts of zinc. And you can eat a lot of that. You can also cook them. They don't have to be raw if you just want the zinc. And the great thing about leafy greens is that they contain all 8 amino acids. And what might surprise you, they contain more vitamin C than an orange. So make sure you get some leafy greens in there on a daily basis to help your zinc levels. Number 4 is coconut water. Coconut water is the best known source of replenishing your electrolytes on the planet. And it's dense in minerals. It's very great for hydrating, deeply hydrating your cells, because through all the electrolytes, the liquid really gets into your cell and helps to create a smooth skin. It also has some pathogen fighting properties. So coconut water, have 1 glass a day. It's going to be very beneficial for you. And number 5, one of my favorites, again, they're all my favorites, but number 5 I love are sprouts, especially alfalfa sprouts and sunflower sprouts. The sprouts, they are great for zinc and they are awesome. They are literally nutritional powerhouses. They are so dense in minerals and they contain high amounts of chlorophyll. They help a lot of your minerals to replenish, and they're grown on your kitchen counter at home. You can grow them in winter, you can grow them every season, you always have them present, and they can be added to anything. To salad, you can eat them just as a snack like that. I recommend you to get 1 cup of sprouts per day to replenish your zinc levels. So guys, these were the 5 zinc foods. We have pumpkin seeds, leafy greens, chickpeas, coconut water, and sprouts. And of course, if you are zinc deficient and you're already eating ample amounts of fresh and raw food, you are already doing something great for your body and you help your body heal. But if you were zinc deficient over a longer period of time, then it might be helpful for you to also include a supplement. I've recorded a separate video about that. I'm going to link that here or in the end screen. And it's a natural way to boost your zinc quickly while still supporting your body to also get some zinc from the foods that you eat. Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious, what is your favorite of these 5 zinc foods that you commit to eat for the next 1 week on a continuous basis daily? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to be updated and get all the newest videos, I warmly welcome you to our Gut Feelings community. You can hit the subscribe button and you're going to be part of the club. I see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.